What's up, everybody? If you're looking for creative ways to make this Valentine's Day super special, boom, I'm your girl, and I'm about to show you how to do it on a budget, because it doesn't cost a lot of money to create super memorable experiences. So you might be wondering what we've got going on here. I'm about to show you how to pull off an indoor Valentine's Day picnic. So the first thing you're gonna do is create your picnic area. Find a good spot in your home, and then you're gonna create a cozy situation. Again, you don't have to buy anything for this. This blush throw and the blush pillows are from the bed upstairs, and the other pillows are literally from my living room sofas. So go around your house and find really cool things that you can add to your picnic area. We are set up in front of my fireplace in my living room, but if you don't have a fireplace, I absolutely believe that you can find some cute little nook in your house that you can create this same ambiance. I love all the rest of the things that we're actually gonna add. Simple things like, hello, candles. That always sets a bomb ambiance, and hopefully you have a few of those around your house already so you don't have to spend money there. I absolutely love mixing different candles. It doesn't have to match. Again, it's gonna be in the dark. You're setting a sexy ambiance, okay? Don't overthink it. If you actually have gifts for one another, make sure they're wrapped really cute. You also can grab some really cute little things like this filled with chocolate. How cute are these little heart chocolates? So cute. Some of the other things I added for decor was flowers. If you already have flowers around your house or at your local grocery store, you can put those. I've added white flowers, pink flowers. We've got some hot pink flowers up top. One of the other things I really, really love is this little board that says, I love you, Israel. Don't judge me, I couldn't find the S. A $sign will do. I got this at Target, and it's literally like less than 15 bucks. So you can pick one of these up, write a little special message. You can write a little special, you can write a little special you can write a special message. I'm just saying, try this at home. Say special message 5 times really fast. Comment below if you can do it. You can write a special message to your significant other right here. Okay, how cute is this? Okay, I don't know if you guys know this, but I like to still consider myself the selfie queen. And if it's just the two of you alone, you can take out your phone. What? Yes. That's me pretending to kiss him. I love rose petals. And what I love most about these rose petals is, guess what? They're silk, so they're reusable, which is great for my budget. And I love the fact that they also don't leave stains. I've seen red rose petals leave terrible stains in people's beds, on people's carpets, so that is not something you want to do. The other cool thing is that they don't wilt and get brown. They last forever. So the next thing you need for your picnic is, duh, your picnic. What I've put together here is some bruschetta, some artichoke, some olives, some crackers. Guys, all you have to do is cut up some bread, just put it in a pan with some olive oil. Love this. Oh my God, the carbs. What I love about this is that it's all finger foods. You definitely don't want to be sitting on a blanket eating with a fork and a knife. I think the cutest thing about this is that you can either feed yourselves or feed each other. Once you've eaten your main course, you're gonna move on to your dessert, which I freaking love this idea. You've got different options of things that you can dip into your chocolate ganache. Let me tell you guys how to make this. It's super simple. If I can do it, so can you. So you're actually just gonna get a double boiler, which is pretty much a pot with a bowl on top of it. And you are gonna fill the pot with some water. You can fill the bowl with either chocolate chips, chocolate chunks, chocolate bars, whatever you want to fill it with. It's just chocolate. And then you're gonna add some heavy cream to that, and it's gonna start melting, and you're just gonna whip that together until it literally becomes chocolate ganache. And what is so awesome about this is you've got a variety of things, from brownies to coconut macaroons, pears, different kinds of fruit, even chips. I'm here for the sweet and salty. You guys already know this. You can sit and serve each other chocolate-covered strawberries. Once you're finished eating all your good food right here, you're definitely gonna want something to drink, and no romantic picnic is complete without some champagne. We've got us a pretty bottle here. It's pink too. Now, if you guys are wondering why everything is pink, I just love the color pink, and I love the fact that it really sets the ambiance for Valentine's Day, but you can do it with whatever color you want to. Trust me, if your man walks in and he's concerned that it's pink, word, that's what you're worried about? You don't appreciate all this time and this effort, the fact that I'm just sitting here waiting for you looking cute like this? Hey. So, we've got this champagne right here. But again, you also have a non-alcoholic option. If you're pregnant or you just don't drink, I feel that too. And here's a cute little festive drink. This is actually Italian blood orange soda. And I've even added little things to add to the champagne. You've got raspberries here. Again, you're just trying to create an aphrodisiac moment. Voila. Now it's time to pop the bottle. Oh, there it is. Another awesome romantic thing you can do is creating a playlist. Now, I remember back in the day when guys used to give you like cassette tapes, mixtapes that they created of all the songs that made them think of you. Love that. We're kind of bringing that back. If you've been with somebody for a while, you know your special songs. You know the songs that you guys love together that remind you of each other or special moments that you've had. Some of the songs that I would put on a playlist for Israel would be definitely our song that we danced to for our wedding, our first dance, and that would be Eric Clapton, Wonderful Tonight. One of my favorite songs. There'd be some Fleetwood Mac on there, some James Taylor. I'd definitely put Georgia on the playlist by Ray Charles so that at any moment we'd get up and slow dance, which I love, and a little bit of Drake in there too. Boom, you gotta mix it up. Another really great idea to give someone as a gift is a beautiful slideshow. I love this because one, it doesn't cost any money. You can literally do it on your phone. There's iMovie on your computer. You can create a slideshow of all your favorite pictures, and you can even find some apps that are super cool to add music to it. This slideshow actually played during my cocktail hour for my wedding. Well, let's see what we've got here. Okay, so this is actually Israel and I putting together our wedding invitations in my old house. See, even my stamps were Eiffel Towers. This is us at a Rams game. Our first football game ever together. This is actually pictures of us just going for lunch. That is way back in the day when we were just friends. At a dinner party. Oh, I love this. Okay, my favorite thing on Israel is his eyelashes and his eyebrows. Even though I said it was his dimples, I have so many things I love about him, but I always would film like a close-up of his eyes. This is from our vacation in Greece, in Santorini. And I love these photos because this was the trip that we took right before heading to Paris when I got engaged. So all this time, he already knew he was gonna ask me to marry him in just a few days. And I love these photos. It just can't beat that smile right there. If you don't have the technology to actually put a slideshow like this on your TV screen, you either can put it on your laptop. I've given Israel gifts of slideshows, and I've actually just handed it to him either on my iPad or just on my phone playing the music, and it still holds the same sentimental value. So again, this is definitely something romantic that you can do for your significant other, for that special person in your life, or you can also do it for your girlfriends. How much fun would this be to like watch old videos of you and your girlfriends having fun, joking, laughing, eating, or even by yourself, some self-care, some spa moments, some hair treatments. Valentine's Day is about love, and it can also be about loving yourself. And most importantly, it doesn't have to be expensive. So I hope you guys love this idea. I can't wait to see if you guys actually choose to do this for your Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments if you actually recreated this and how it went. Love you guys. Mwah. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe.